get ready to make the ultimate cracked chicken dip with borsari. Of course, if you know me well, we always clean and pat dry our chicken. I'm gonna keep it all in the family, so I'm gonna use the borsari olive oil as well. And we're gonna use for this recipe the original blend. 1 tablespoon is enough. You know, a little bit goes a long way with them. I'm gonna go ahead and give the skin some love, flip it over, and you know what we do to one side, we do to the other. In addition to that, I'm gonna add fresh black pepper on both sides. This is basically what you're looking for. My wolf is on sear mode, which is also a slow cooker. I'm gonna start with my skin down to get that nice brown. Later, you remove the skin, but this is gonna be the perfect broth. 1/4 cup of chicken stock, chunky onions, herbs, and garlic. It's just gonna leave you with the most amazing chicken stock. Do not throw it away when you remove your chicken. That is golden. Next, we're gonna make our creamy sauce. This is Philly cream cheese and of course 1 whole cup of whole sour cream. Skip the diet thing for another day. I'm gonna go ahead and put this inside my little blender. I'm gonna add Monterey Jack cheese, about 1 cup, and then I'm gonna save the rest for the topping. What you wanna do with this guy, oh, this is my little hack. I add a little bit of cilantro. It doesn't really call for it, so if you don't love it, you don't have to have it. I'm also gonna add to this 1/2 lemon juice and make sure that you don't get any seeds in there. I'm gonna blend. This is kind of the consistency you're looking for. If it gets a little thick, don't worry. Add a little olive oil and give it a taste. Now that my chicken is fully shredded, you could use your hands or you could use the hand blender, whatever you like. I'm gonna go ahead and make sure that I mix. The whole idea is to get every single piece of chicken coated with this delicious marinade that we just made. Then, 1/4 cup of onions and the rest of my cheese. I transferred it to a pretty little baking dish, fresh black pepper in the top, 350, bake into the oven, and when you have a nice little golden crust like so, it's ready to come out. Top it off with a little bit of bacon bits that I made in the air fryer, as well as some scallions, and voila, you're ready. Put that guy out with some chips and you are ready to dip. Thanks for watching.